Hey guys, today I want to share with you this awesome threshold ramp. This is so great if you're looking for a way to access an easier way to get in some doors, maybe wheelchair, bike, ramp, whatever it may be. This has been so great. We love having this. My grandma's in a wheelchair, so anywhere we go, this is nice to have to really get her into those places. Here's what it looks like on the side. I'm going to do a couple close-ups and how it works, but if you're in the market for a great ramp, this has been awesome. It's easy to move around, it's heavy duty, and a great product. So our driveway has this really steep approach that our kids have a really hard time getting their bike on it. So this ramp has been so great, whether it's a wheelchair or stroller. We can just push it up against that and then they will have no issues going over it because it's so awesome to use. So now it's very flush and our kids can go over it very nice.
This rubber ramp is anti-slip. The rubber material is tough, waterproof, and high temperature resistant. The height is greater than 1.4 inches, and you can provide your own 3M double-sided tape to fix the ramp to prevent any movement.